Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key details. Log into Apple. Com to verify the email used for your Apple ID. Once done, make sure your device is online and that you can receive messages on a trusted phone number or device. This is essential for verification codes. You'll need the exact email address shown, the current password, and access to the recovery contact. If you're already signed in on a second device, keep it nearby to accept prompts and speed the process. Next, go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name and choose to verify your email. When you request a verification code, Apple sends either an email link, an SMS, or a prompt to a trusted device. Choose the method you can access right now. Once the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. Codes are time-limited. If a prompt appears on a trusted device, tap Allow. Then read the code aloud or type it into the verification field on your original. Finish by confirming the verification link or entering the code. Once accepted, your Apple ID will show as verified. If you're logged out, sign back in with the same credentials and verify again. If a code never arrives, check the email spam folder, resend the message, or start account recovery. This can take a few days. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure two-factor authentication details are current. Update trusted phone numbers now to avoid repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.